Hello guys, welcome back to Sourcify YouTube channel and I'm Gaurav with you. So in previous video we have seen about how to make cards and use grid CSS style in these cards to make them responsive for any devices. Okay, here responsive means if we convert the screen to a mobile size screen, then the cards automatically should be aligned. Okay, so in today's video, let me open the VS Code, and after that I will be talking about some more things. Okay, so this was the folder, and let me open it with VS Code. Okay, nice. So let's go to our index page. Let me go live. Okay, so we have done till this portion of our website. You can see here. Now let's make a functionality that when we will be clicking on this explore button, or we will click on this explore button, this will open our whole blog, sorry, blog. Okay, this is not blog, this is blog, blog. Okay, blog is the type of writing I have told you in our first video of this blogging website making video series. Okay, this is actually part of our web development series, but this blogging website making series, a learning through making series, is a subpart of or subdivision of the series. Okay, so now let's make the functionality. For that, what you can do, let's say you want to keep your different blogs in different folder. Okay, for that what you can make here a different folder like called as blogs. Okay, blogs blogs, and inside this blog write here different or make here different HTML files for blogs. Okay, so how can I make this? Like blog1 dot html, this is our first blog. Okay, first blog1 dot html, and likewise I can make the second blog also. Click here and blog2 dot html. Okay, nice. In that way we can make multiple blogs pages. Okay, like blog3 dot html. Nice. Let's go to this blog one page. Okay, and let's structure some basic things. Okay, so at first we have to write the doc type here, or what we can do, we can just copy this basic code. Okay, basic code from here. Let's copy this whole code by clicking on Control A, then Control X, and then Control Z. It will be written. Okay, and then now go to blog one and Control V, paste it. Now we have to remove these parts from here. Okay, this section, like where the blog cards were in the page, we have to just keep the page only. So at first remove this. I think it's okay. Now if we go to our page, and okay, this is index.html, but we have to link the page now. So for that, what we can do, what is the address of this page, we have to link it to the button. Okay, so let's go to the index.html page, and here in the first blog, okay, this is the card for the first blog. Okay, blog card you can see, and inside it here is the button. So inside button, what we can do, inside this button, okay, At first cut this button, Control X, and anchor tag, put a anchor tag A with just anchor tag, okay, and enter. Here inside this anchor tag uh, is used for putting the link of the another page, okay, or another thing, whatever it is. It can be another HTML page as well as or etc. Any other thing, okay, and inside it now write the button. Okay, so if I click on the button of the first page, this explore button, then it should redirect us to the blog1.html page. So just just you have to give here the path. What is the path? We have to go to blog folder and inside it blog1.html. So just write this slash and there will be suggestions. Here you can see blogs and inside this blog1.html. Okay, so let's go to our website. Let's refresh it and see if it is working or not. Okay, welcome to my blog site. Nice, this is working actually. Okay, so now why not the styling, actually why this styling is not working. Whenever here you can see welcome to my blog site is in center and a purple colored background behind it, okay, and here you can see just this text, but why? So there is a problem in the path definition of CSS file or during the linking. Here you can see only the style.css is written, but we need to link the style.css from before that we have to go to outside of this blog folder and then link this. So just write dot dot slash, okay, means we are going out of our parent folder, okay. So for that we have to write inside the href dot dot then slash then blogs. This is the folder from where we are going to be out. So blogs and then we have to link style.css. Let me see if there is a problem. I think there is a problem. Yeah, there is a problem. Let me check what is the problem here. We are going out of this blocks, okay, and it is giving us the suggestion just this. Let me put the link again. Link CSS. No, this is not the file name. Dot slash dot slash, okay, dot slash dot slash style dot css, okay. So here dot dot slash style dot css. Let me check if it is working now. Okay, now it is working actually, okay. It means what we have learned from this mistake, that if we put dot dot slash here in the link, then it is automatically redirecting us outside of our parent folder. We need not to write the name of our parent folder. Okay, dot dot slash means we are going outside of the parent folder of our current working folder, or current working file. Okay, like here the current working file is blog1.html and its parent folder is blogs. Here you can see. So if I write dot dot slash, this is redirecting or giving the path or redirecting us outside of this blogs folder, okay. And after going to outside of this blog folder, we can access this style.css. So in that way we are accessing this style.css. Nice. In that way you can link this So here we can check, we can change this text like welcome to my first blog. Okay, welcome to my first, sorry, the spelling is actually wrong. First blog. Okay, welcome to my first blog. We are actually applying this style, the general style of the navigation bar to all pages. Okay, if you want to give another style, then what you have to do, you have to make another style.css folder. Like if I want to let's say if I want to change this pink color, okay, this pink color, then what I have to do, I have to put another style.css file inside or outside this block. But I will suggest you to make this inside this blog section if you need it. Okay. Else, in our case, this is not necessary. So definitely, I will show you how to make this. Just click here and then put style one.css. Okay, and inside it we have to just access these things, and here we have to link this style1.css. Directly we can link this style1.css as we are in same current same directory or same folder. Okay, blog1.html and style1.html is inside same folder, so we can link it directly without going to outside of our current directory. Okay, so we have linked the style1.css. Then we have to copy this like this classes and give some style. We can give some style to this. Like here we have we show or we want to give another color to this section, okay, where the welcome to my first blog is written. So for that we have to access the parent div uh, parent section. Okay, sorry, top is the id and also the class. Okay, so what we can do, just go to this file, and then for accessing class just write dot and the class name like top. Okay, and we want to give a background color, so just write background color. I have shown you also in the previous video. And let's say we want to give a brown color as the background of this. Okay, here you can see the color is changed, and we have to write some body property. Okay, or some general properties. Let me check. top equal to top equal to 0. Let's set it. Okay, we have to write these properties for body actually. Okay, so what was the problem there is that I have given the top actually. We have to set the property as margin top. Okay, so margin top of the body. So margin top will set as 0. If now I will go to here, you can see margin is 0. Okay, likewise we have to set margin left as 0, and after that margin right as 0. Okay, so you have to set these three properties to make this thing like that. And now if we go to this blog 1 section, and here we want to center this welcome to my first blog text and give a white color to it. For that what we can do, just access the parent element or parent element. Okay, so parent element, here in this case parent div, using its id. So what is its id? Title is its id. Okay, we should remove this as it is not necessary for now. And we can what I was talking about, that accessing this parent div of this text called welcome to my first blog to center this. Okay, for that what we can do, just access it using this title class. Okay, so you can write dot title, and inside it text alignment to center. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is working. Just let me change the text color. So just put the color inside it to white or anything like white. Okay, excellent. White, nice. So this is looking good, but we can give some paddings to it. So for that, what we can do, just add some padding to the text, and for adding this we have to access the parent element. Similarly, we have already accessed the parent element using its id, which is title. So here we have to give some padding. Okay, padding, let's say 2 rem. Okay, okay, this is looking like that. You can see here, and I can apply also some like font size. Okay, font size, so let's set it to 1 rem. Let's see, 2.5 rem. Oh, this is very big actually, so you should not set it like that. 1.5 rem, let's say. Okay, nice. Let me set it to 2 rem. I think it will be looking good. Nice. Okay, I have made a mistake. Like there was 2 rem unit, one by one. That's why it was looking like that. Now it's looking fine. Let's say now we want to give a font style to this text. So for that, what we can do, just go to the previous style. From here we have imported a font style. Okay, likewise you can also import it. How to import, I have shown you in our, I think, first video. It was the first video, and this is the font family we have used from this font style. Okay, Oswald Sans Serif, whatever it is. Just at first you have to go to the Google Fonts website and select a font, and from there import. Click on import option and you can get this code inside. Okay, so let me copy it. Okay, let's go to this like this style, because we are giving the style for our first blog page inside or through this style .css, style1.css. So let's import this also in this style, and here this is the font family. Okay, I have shown you how to use Google Fonts. If you have not watched it before, you can directly go to our first video from our playlist, web development or portfolio making playlist, and from there I will change the name actually. This is not portfolio making playlist now. This is actually a web development playlist. Okay, so from here, let me give this font style to this text. Okay, yeah, you can see the styling of the text is changed now. And let me reduce the padding. This will look good to okay, so 1.5, let's say. Yeah, this is looking good now. After that, what we can do, we can just simply put some title, some pictures and this type of shops inside this. So for that, for giving you demonstration how to add them, I will definitely show you. Okay, how you can add them. At first, go to the blog1.html, and inside it make another things. Like here, this was the title. Okay, so here instead of welcome to my first blog, you can write another title also. Okay, let me let me so here, for demonstrating you, let me use ChatGPT. Okay, for faster or blog is actually your thoughts, okay, and collective data you can put there. But just for an example, I am using ChatGPT, okay. So let's give ChatGPT an instruction about write write a blog within within 500, or let's say 1000 words. Actually there is a word limit. Okay, also in ChatGPT you should not use ChatGPT, okay, because whenever you will be monetizing your website, definitely it will not be monetized, or there's some problems with the criteria if you use any AI tools, whether it is ChatGPT, whether it is Gemini or Bard. uh, Actually Bard does not exist now, okay. So 1000 words about artificial, like we can directly write AI, okay, AI, okay. Sorry for the background noise, guys, just consider it. So it is writing for us. Till then, let me download some photos, and where to keep I will show you. Okay, like photos, AI photos. Okay, actually it is giving us another photos, but we need artificial intelligence like AI robots. Uh, let's search like that. Not now. What it is? Okay, we can download some pictures from here, and I will show you how to insert a picture also. Let's download it. Mm, there should be a copy option, but okay. Save image as, and let me go to web development now. Yeah, so this was YouTube, but I have to go to inside, sorry, blogging site, okay. Blogging site, inside this, and here you can see assets folder, okay. Assets folder, and here inside this assets folder you can make another folder also, like I am making new folder, and inside it blog 1, okay, blog 1, blog 1, okay. And inside this blog 1 you can put all important photos which you need for blog 1, okay. Like here I am putting like photo 1 and save it just, okay. Okay, that's good. And like here if we search for another picture like this, we can use save image as, and we're already inside blog 1 folder, so let's save it, okay. Remember when, okay, I will tell you, just go to this page, we are currently working in it, and now what you can do, okay, you can make a section, okay, section dot, let's give a class to it, like blog 1 sec, okay. Section, sec means section, blog 1 section, okay. So this is actually the section, and now we can put some titles, some images, and that all different type of things. So you can definitely put like, let's say you want to give a heading, always make a div and then give a class to it heading and enter, okay. Inside it you should keep, uh, you should give your unlocking the potential of artificial intelligence, a journey into the future, okay. Nice title. We I will just, for now I will just copy it, Whenever you are posting your blog, make your title and everything with your own knowledge. Okay, do not use any AIDs. I'm just doing this for the demonstration. Okay, this is the heading, and inside it there should be a paragraph. So for that you can write, you can use paragraph tag. Okay, this is a new tag for you, like paragraph tag or p tag. So, okay, inside it we can write a paragraph. So if I copy this from here and let me control it here, you can see the paragraph, and let me cut it as we have given the title already in our title block or title div. Okay, so this is the title div and this is the paragraph. So let's go to our web page. Okay, this is now looking like that. We want to give some style to it. So like here we can also center this, like this, welcome to my first blog page. Okay, or we can also put this title in this section also. Okay, it will be better, I think. So there should not be this section, this is unnecessary actually. So just cut it from here and put it inside, replace it with this, welcome to my first blog. Okay, so just remove this from here, we need not to do this. Okay, so now this is looking like that. Okay, so another important thing is that we should put div before putting our paragraphs inside p tag. Okay, like div dot para. Okay, and let me put this whole paragraph inside this div tag. So let me cut it from here. Don't cut the section because we are actually inside the section. Okay, cut it from here and put it inside this div tag. The class for this div tag is paragraph. Now we can set different type of properties for this, as well as we can attach some images also. So let's say we want to give some margins or some spaces here. Okay, so for that what we can do, we have to access at first this. Okay, in the style1.css, so the id is para. Okay, and inside this para we have to access p element because we are going to put some image element also. Now let's go to inside this, let's go inside, and here dot para. Okay, p a r a, and inside it I want to access the p element. Okay, so if I want to access the p element, you just need to give a gap because this is a element name. Okay, this is not a class or id name, so you need not to put any hashtag or dot, just put p, and we want to give a margin to it, so just give a margin of like 2 rem. Yeah, here you can see the margin. Now we want that this text should be in justified way, so you can just write text align justify. Okay, now you can see equally aligned. Okay, all text are equally aligned. Here you can see it is looking very beautiful. Now if you want to put a picture inside or in between these things, so what you can do, you can just either you can make different paragraphs, and outside of this you can put another div, and inside this the image, or you can directly put the image after the paragraph where it is required. So now I am putting another div inside this. Okay, like here let's dot image. Okay, dot image, so the class is image for this div element, and inside this div I want to input a image. Okay, source. What is source for now? We have to go inside // assets. Okay, let me check. I think there is a problem, like only logo.png is showing, but it should show our previous, which we have. Okay, I think I have saved my pictures in another folder. Okay, so let me, but where I have saved, let me check it. Okay, this is inside. Okay, then blogging site assets blog one. But inside, if we go to inside assets, there is another folder. Let me go to blogging site. This mistakes definitely will teach you something. Okay, so don't ignore them. Let me check it from the actual folder. Okay, so let's, I think there is a problem now. I think I have saved in another another blogging folder, but you can definitely put some images inside this. Okay, let me check and I will be back after that. What is the, okay, so the problem was that I have saved the images in different folder. Okay, so with the same name called blogging website, so that was the problem, but now we can access them. Okay, so if I go to inside this, you can see this blog one folder. Okay, now yeah, we can access them, and let's access this photo at first. Let's go to the web page. Here you can see this is looking like that. Okay, now we want to align this photo at center. So for that, what we have to do, we have to just access the parent div element using its class or id. Okay, there, so image is the id, and we have to go inside the style1.css, and inside it dot control v, and in just text align to center. Let's go to here. Yeah, here you can see this is looking like that for now. Now you can set different properties to this image also. So if I access the image, want to access the image element and give some width and height to it, so for that what we can do, just write the same thing dot image, and inside it the image element img element is present. So you need not to put any dot or hashtag, as it is a name of a element, and then give a width to like 50%. We want it to be the 50% of original. Okay, so this is looking like that. We can also add some border and that type of things, and we can also a photo after that paragraph also. Okay, so we can do so many different things with it, but definitely I will show you all about these things in our next video. Till then, just complete if you have not watched our previous video, just go to our channel and complete our complete all previous videos from our playlist. And I hope you like our videos. And okay, thank you for watching this video, for today's video till the end. Thank you.